नाज़रीन, नरेंद्र मोदी इस वक्त श्रीनगर के SKICC में मौजूद है, जहां पर तकरीब जारी है। आपको सीधे लिए चलते हैं।
अपनी मंजिल तक पहुंच सके और रोजगार की जितनी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं वो बढ़ें। आइए रूसा के सफर पर डालते हैं एक नजर।
The Rashtriya Uchchatar Shiksha Abhiyan is the center's promise to fuel the ambition of state institutions. It realizes that India's greatest resources are the minds of its young people. A program under the Ministry of Human Resource Development, RUSA has altered the conversation of higher education. From being bare minimum to broadening the picture and scope of excellence in education across states, it provides the much needed fillip to state institutions. Till date, an amount of over rupees 13,000 crores has been approved. Close to 3,000 institutions in 29 states and 6 union territories have been supported through central strategic funding to improve access, equity, and excellence in higher education. Given its exceptional performance, the government decided to continue the scheme in 2018, with the second phase of RUSA focused significantly on quality enhancement measures. In the last 2 years, the scheme has seen the creation of 19 new universities, some through upgradation of autonomous colleges and others by the formation of cluster universities. RUSA has also provided infrastructure grants to 135 universities and 1,982 colleges. Close to 35 professional colleges have been created in regions where the gross enrollment ratio in technical education is below the national average. Over 130 new model colleges have been created in unserved and underserved areas of the country, of which 51 are in aspirational districts. In addition, 20 states have excitedly embarked on equity-related initiatives. Here is a peek into the impact that RUSA has made. Jammu and Kashmir is now home to a cluster university. Sikkim has embarked on an ambitious statewide online admission process to all its colleges. Language labs in Mizoram have put the girls on an equal footing, as also made them job ready. By improving access to education, Jharkhand has been chipping away at bettering its offerings for students. Governance reforms in Odisha has allowed it to pick some fine leaders to run its universities. Chhattisgarh has taken special initiatives in embarking upon quality reforms in higher education by focusing on their quality assurance cells at the state and district levels. Telangana has shown interest in promoting equity initiatives and in preparing a gender atlas to gauge the demand-supply gap in higher education. Karnataka, on the other hand, has leveraged the information technology space to better manage the state higher education systems. Maharashtra has used research and innovation grants under RUSA to create prototype for startups and ecosystems for technology incubation. It has promoted excellence by encouraging autonomy to a number of high-performing colleges. Gujarat has utilized RUSA funds for several power-packed teacher training sessions. The last 2 years have seen a significant momentum in states' ability to seek and absorb resources. A number of projects have seen completion. Another significant number are in the advanced stages of closure. The introduction of the Public Finance Management System and the real-time monitoring of activities speaks of the extraordinary cutting-edge strides that RUSA has taken. Digital dashboards like Fund and Reform Tracker and Challenge Level Funding speak of the technological advances that RUSA has made. Conclaves of Higher Education Leadership Academy under RUSA has enthused state universities to concentrate on effective leadership. In short, RUSA is a harbinger of hope for the state's education systems. It epitomizes the principles of cooperative and competitive federalism and treats states as partners in progress.
हमारे मुल्क के यूथ की ताकत और काबिलियत पर माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को बेहद फ़ख्र भी है और यकीन भी। क्वालिटी और एक्सीलेंस वाली तालीम हर स्टूडेंट को मिले, अच्छे अच्छे रोज़गारों से हर यूथ की ज़िंदगी फले फूले, यही दुआ और नेक मकसद है माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का। हम माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी से गुजारिश करते हैं कि कृपया 3300 करोड़ रुपए के नेशन वाइड प्रोजेक्ट्स का शुभारंभ करें रिमोट का बटन दबाकर।